Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to apply the liner down gradient fill in Excel. Firstly, open your Excel document, then click the chart, right click mouse, go to fill, and we can see gradient. Then gradient. This is many simple gradient, and click more gradients. Gradient fill, select the type liner down, and select your color. Then example I select, I select this color and change this color, select white. Okay, and draw this, and again change this color blue. Transparency, brightness. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.